Hello guys, Rob here. In this video we are going to cover fiat to crypto purchases and the Telos Bancor token swap feature in the latest SQRL 1.2 release, which can be found in the buy, sell, swap section in the wallet tab. For Bancor token swaps, VIP level 1 is required. VIP level 1 is achieved after using 100 SQRL tokens to cover your CPU and net costs, which I am now just over at 101 SQRL tokens consumed. To use the Telos Bancor token swap feature, go to the buy sell swap section and down to swap tokens. Here you will see a straightforward page where you choose the tokens you want to swap from and the tokens you want to swap to, along with the balances you have of each below. So I have a good amount of SQRL tokens. I want to swap some of those over for, let's just swap some of those into TLOS. Again, here is the amount of tokens I have available for each, and then you type in how many you want to swap over. 1,000 SQRL tokens into TLOS, and here in the middle it shows you 1,000 SQRL tokens. It will give me 9.5223 TLOS with a fee of 0.0478 TLOS. Simply click convert and swap now. Transaction submitted, close, and my TLOS balance increased from 70 to 80, and my SQRL token balance was reduced by 1,000. The Bancor token swap feature inside of the latest SQRL 1.2 is one of the quickest and easiest ways to swap between different tokens. Next up, let's cover the fiat to crypto purchases inside of SQRL. Under the buy sell swap section, the first thing you need to do is go to account settings. Here you will set up a carbon money account, which is the service used to move from fiat into crypto. Simply click the get started button, and on this page you are just creating your carbon account. You can put in an optional notification email address if you'd like. If not, just click register. Now you are good to go. You may now begin purchasing tokens with your debit or credit cards, subject to purchase limits of $250 USD per day for non-verified accounts. If you'd like to increase the limit to 2,500 USD per day, please click the KYC for credit card purchases button below to begin. So no KYC is required for up to 250 USD per day worth of purchases. But if you do want to increase your limit to 2,500 USD per day, you would go through the KYC process on the KYC for credit card purchases. For no account limits, to enable bank deposits and withdrawals via ACH or wire transfer with no account limits, please complete the KYC for bank deposit withdrawals step below, right here. If $250 USD per day is all you need, no further KYC steps are required. You are all set up with just creating your carbon money account, so you can close out of this page and head back over to the buy sell swap, and now you see the buy TLOS button has appeared. If you click that, here is where you can buy either Telos, Bitcoin, or EOS with your credit or debit card. To buy, simply select your token, input the amount of fiat you want to spend in either US dollar, euro, or pound. Minimum purchase of $5 USD is required. Once you have the fiat amount put in, over here on the side, you will see the fiat amount, the estimated amount of tokens you will receive for that fiat, the fee you will pay to Carbon, as well as the token prices here, and the total cost. So the total cost is the purchase amount plus fee. For buying 100, you're paying 100 plus that $3.50 fee gives you $103.50. Once you're done here, click next. Here you will put in the destination account where you want the token sent to. If you're buying Telos, put in a Telos account. If you're buying EOS, put in an EOS account. And if you're buying Bitcoin, put in a Bitcoin address here. After you have the correct destination account, click next. Here you'll put in the card number, month and year, and the CVC code, as well as your billing address and postal code. Once all your card information is correctly filled in, click Next. And here you will see a confirmation of your purchase with your card number, the expiration date, the billing address, the amount you are purchasing, the estimated amount of tokens you will receive, the fee, the USD to token price, and your total cost. And to confirm your purchase, click Confirm Purchase. If 250 USD a day is not enough for you, you can come back into the account settings and perform either the KYC for credit card purchases, which gives you 2,500 USD per day limit, or the KYC for bank deposits withdrawals, which is unlimited. For KYC for credit card purchases, here you'll put in your first name, last name, building number, street address, country, city, zip, date of birth, all the normal KYC procedures. The building number and street address part can be a little bit confusing. If you live at 123 Telos Street, you can see you're still getting an error because not all of the boxes are filled out. So if this was your address, take that 123 and pop it over here. This is the correct formatting, 123 under building number, and then the street address is the name of your street. Once all this information is filled out, click Get Verified. Here you will submit either your passport, driver's license, national ID card, or any official form of identity documentation. You should also upload a current photo of you with today's date to help simplify the verification process. You must supply either the front and back of your government ID and a live selfie, or your passport and a live selfie. So either your passport and a live selfie, or the front and back of your license and a live selfie. The pictures here make it simple, show you what you need, but you either need this and this, or this, and this. And once you choose those files, you'd simply come down here to the complete registration button, and once your KYC verification is approved, your limit will be increased. So there you go, guys. There is the features in the buy, sell, swap section of the latest Squirrel Wallet release. If you have any questions, head on over to the Squirrel Wallet Telegram group. But that's going to do it for me for this one. I will see you in the next one.